Asibingelele. Awubingelele baba udokotela, baba uSizwe, baba uJabulile umfana omuhle njengekhehla lomlona, ungumzukulu wamancingesi. Namhlanje sithatha ithuba esingalisoli ngalo engeke futhi sizisole egcineni lokuthi asenze ama-video with the intention of to release what we have planned ukuthi ke sikhulume kubantu ngoba yonke into ekhulumayo ufuna uyazi ukuthi lento eshoyo it will haunt you back. This is baba udokotela voices baba uJabulile umfana omhle njengekhehla lomzukulu wamancingesi ngiselo futhi ngixolisile ukugqilaza njalo lento. La Sisebhilidini ekuthiwa i-Nedbank House Building, that must be said. Name of the building, it's Nedbank House Building. Studio, it's 19th floor, studio number 1, dark room. Baba udokotela la ozomthola khona. Every Sundays we are closed, every public holidays we are closed. Thanks, April is leaving now. Yeah. Bakithi, kini topic namhlanje ethi double door quantum. Ake sithinte kancane kulama mash esinawo. Sibe nama mash abekhona eThekwini. Sangaba ngoba lento ukuthi ube too quick to speak, you have to sit down, watch, and then ubalance zonke izinto, ubuka ama comments ngapha, ubuka ama report ngapha, ubuka international report ngapha, and thereafter you have to speak sense. Then global communities, they prescribe us as tribalist in KZN. Nationally, they prescribe us as xenophobic. I just have to explain this so that other South Africans have never been outside the borders of South Africa. The only country that you can wander around without proper papers or without papers, if you get caught by the police, it is Lesotho. In Lesotho, Vicksburg especially, you can cross over to Lesotho to buy airtime, decide to buy bread this side without having a passport, and then as long as walking, because people, they parade now and again. Leave alone that government has officially made it known that now you can cross border, bouncing back without carrying your passport. Go to Swaziland as well. Swaziland, it is so immune in a sense that no police will ever, hardly find a police, a man or woman asking you for your passport, why you here, fikile kuphi, uphindane nemuva, show me your papers. No, kodwa ke asiyibheke ke lento kuze ukuthi kuma South Africans amanye, so that they'll understand ukuthi sikhuluma ngani, so that nabo bazoba nalabo abafowethu aba outside the borders of South Africa. And we do have South Africans who are in diaspora as well. When I was in Nyarime, I was in Nyarime, I had a car broke down, and then I needed a breakdown. First thing, the police, he asked for my passport before they can even talk to me, because I was not speaking the language, the native language, or even Portuguese. They asked for my passport, and I produced my passport. Thereafter, I was able to be assisted, not arrested, assisted. When I was entering the hotel in Machishi, and then in order for us to book for the hotel, they needed us to produce the passport. And then I also slept in one of the hotels in Nyasuri. In Nyasuri, there's a beautiful hotel there. It's a small hotel, but full of Portuguese fellows. And they also ask for the passport, because there is no way that they can book you in if you are an illegally immigrant there. No, there's no way. You can't check in. Can't check in the hotel. That you cannot do, because they need your passport in case you demise. Demise. I have to explain demise now. Now, Shaumpaya isn't. In case you die in the hotel, they need to know who is this person. You see? Okay, fine. Into engifuna ukukuvezela yona ilena, and not that I'm exposing that I'm a travel junkie. When I was in Mangungumete, people from Mozambique, they will know this place. When you pass Vilankulu, you go straight, and then you end up reaching up Mangungumete police station. You can Google Mangungumete police station, then you know where I was. There, kunendawo kudliwa inyama, ingulube, chicken. You hardly get beef in Mozambique. You hardly get beef. There's a lot of goats. There's a lot of goats in Mozambique. Then you eat a lot of goats. Chicken, kanjalo. Is Steve Papa, what do you call Steve Papa in Africa? What is Steve Papa in Africa?
There's ugali in Swahili.
No, there's this other name they use. Even in Malawi, they use some sima. Okay, you eat sima in Mozambique most of the time, and then you eat their rice, third grade rice, but no put to eat sima. Okay, we parked the cars this side, not a car, because I was traveling with 3 cars. The environment was not good. I needed a strong backup. 14 people were escorting me. And then when I had to go across, because kunomgaqo lo hlukanisile wokhuphukayo uya eMamboni owehlayo oshona eGaza. Lapho nje kulo mgaqo loyo ukcrossa lo mgaqo ushiye laba abahleli ngapha uwelela ngapha ukukhonto ofuna ukuyithenga ngapha. Kunamaphoyisa lapho ahleze patrol. They asked for the passport. They asked for, because you're a foreigner. I said, nansi imoto yethu, but no, we are not asking for your car. Where is your passport? Ngase ngayikhipha ipassport. Ngabanika. Bayichecka. Bathi kunani emotweni. Ngathi mina ngihamba ngano-check emotweni ukuthi nangazi ukuthi nginani imoto wakule mgaqweni nangazi emotweni ngilana. Then ngabayeka bahamba ba-checka vese kwakhona abasebenzi lapha. Engizama ukuveza ukuthi i-paperwork, it is always obligated ukuthi ube nayo uyi-foreigner kwelinye izwe. You cannot be in a foreign country without proper documents. Even explaining ukuthi we are here as a student, we are here as what, we are here as what, in case anything goes wrong kuwena. Go to Malawi. In Malawi, kune Southern Malawi, Central Malawi. People don't know that. The Southern Malawi and the Central District in Malawi. Talking about Lilongwe, those are central. Central. Thereafter, makes over the north. In order for you to ukuya e north, kufuna udlule i-province ekuthiwa Kasunga province. Leyo province leyo, it's bordering Malawi and Zambia. There is kunesiqiwi lapha, Kasunga National Park. Kunesiqiwi lapha. It's cool nje. As much as you are driving going up, and then on your left, it's a national park. It's endless. Easy ophela eZambia. But la kuphela khona leyo province iKasunga. Guess what? Kunamaphoyisa lapho. Abeki roadblock. Kukhona abaka forest, kukhona abaka home affairs, kukhona ama national police, kukhona ama social. Kodwa labafana bawu5. Umuntu nomuntu mele kukhona nabaka border management control. Border management, yeah, all 5 border management control. They approached me. Gangihlele emotweni ngemuva. Udriver ehleli ngaphambili ngikhathele veze. They approached me, asked for papers. Because I could not pass to north. Either I'm going to Tanzania or where, but I must have papers in order to pass here. Engisho ukuthi bakithi ake siyibukeni lento ukuthi South Africa, we are not fighting against our brothers. We are fighting against people who enter the country illegally from Tunisia, Cameroon, Egyptians are here. You got no idea, even Iraqis are here. Bangladesh are here. I never come across an Indian citizenship. Or Nepalese. I never come across those people. But I'm not saying they're not here. Because in South Africa and South Africans, we understand that the country has made a mistake to accept bribery at the highest degree. Even a person from Iraq will come and sell ships in South Africa. A person from Pakistan will come and fix phones in South Africa. Because when I was in India, first thing they ask you, where are you coming from? How long are you going to stay? Uyakbani. And they need papers emva kwalokho. Mase kukhona iform oyigcwalisa futhi yaka health ukuthi awunayo i-COVID blah 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 awukazi ulashelwa uma malaria yonke lento. Okay, fine, it's not. Engisho ukuthi into engifuna ukuyibheka la ukuthi asingabi nento ethi laba balida imashi angifuni ukusebenzisa amagama abo kuba kwi-channel yami laba leader kwimashi they are xenophobic, they are tribalist. No, unomentha noma ngabe uqhamuka eCuba as long unamaphepha, uqhamuka e-USA as long unamaphepha. You don't have to be yellow, white, green as long a person has papers. Mase kuzothi ke okuye nokunye ke imedia kuyohleze izivezela ngoba yonke indawo kukho la umuhamba masiba nyathele khona ayohleze nyatheleke. Kodwa imedia njalo kulama masha khona they just want to see the cracks ukuthi where ikuphi crack ngalo ndlela ke siyabuka nje kade sibuka iBBC indlela ereporter ngayo, Sky News indlela ereporter ngayo, CNN indlela ereporter ngayo, yonke into abayireportayo akuyona lezi zeSouth Africa. ESouth Africa we are not genociding foreigners, we are not killing foreigners, we are asking them to leave. Those people on record umfowethu uphakela umthakathi uthi abangashawa asingabaphuca izinto beka izandla ngemuva showing that you are not posing a threat, umtshela ukuthi hamba ubuyele ekhaya uma amaphepha ungenawo, because labantu abanama amaphepha ngempela yabo abanama amaphepha ngalo ndlela and they are not known and into embi ngabo abatraceki kuma fingerprint. That is where past and then they are being used as hit squad because kuyazi ukuthi ikhamera imishayena kwasala ama fingerprint ku clean, irecord ke clean. Into esebenza ke manje na ke laba ke abasebenzisayo basenza into esibiza ukuthi ama counter snipers. Did I say counter snipers? There is a sniper, there is a counter sniper. Oh yeah, there's a counter sniper. Say counter sniper for me. There's a counter sniper. Okay, let's go back to business. Into abayisebenzisayo labantu abakhohlaka eSouth Africa njengoba ubona beba-defender because they're using them. Bafika bamkhiphe lo mfana ukuthi akawushalo yamuntu leyana. Mase bemshayile bathi mshaye, umshayile ulahle phansi isibhamu sizosithatha thina ukuze in case you get caught ungabanjwa nesibhamu esishisayo. Ngesikhathi esilahle isibhamu eseshawa omunye ongahambi nalaba uzothi ngesikhathi ebaleka ehamba ehla ngephasethi ahlanga noma ngathana mvuthela abathana mvuthela amqonqothe same time, meaning that bam destroy straight usebulela itarget laphana akufuze ngabe uzokhokhelwa yona emva kwalo kahlanga noma message uzomshaya. That person we call him it's a counter sniper, uzomshaya same time. Ngisho ukuthi asibuke ukusebenziswa kwalabantu ebugebengweni mase sibuke nabantu futhi ababavikelayo ebugebengweni ukuthi babavikela ngobani, babavikela because they are beneficiaries kubona. The beneficiaries kulo nanokuthi kama Nigeria adayisa ama drugs ake sikhulume lento lo. Ama Nigeria awadayisa ama drugs, adayisiswa ama drugs by people of the land. I'm not telling which land. By people of the land. Ama Nigerians, they are known because by far ama Nigerians are la, out of 10, 7 they're coming from the army. Nigerians 7 are coming from the army. Somalians, out of 10, 9 are coming from are military trained. People didn't know that. Somalians are military trained. Pakistanis who are here, out of 10, 9 are military trained. They are good in infiltration and are good in counterintelligence. They know how to infiltrate a police station and find the weak spot of Amapois. That is counterintelligence Amapois. They know how to subverse. Kwa intelligence it's subverse. They come to Pakis. Pakis are good in intelligence in terms of signal intelligence, whereby they can able to retreat wonke ama browser kwi internet wawenza wacheck. As a station commander, uke wa browser leza zinto ama Pakistan ayithola lonto ayithatha inika ama Nigerians abuye eze nayo kuwena akutshela ukuthi sinale browse history yakho as a kernel. You want us to expose you. If you don't want us to expose, tell your guys not to make a roadblock endaweni yethu. Period. That is called signal intelligence and subversion intelligence. Subversion intelligence. I will teach you about these things. This is Babu Hotel. This is Babu Jalom. Follow pleasure. Ketlam Zola. Bangong sang. Solve it in close. Ilugi kila zanjan. Yeah, ake sibuyele emsebenzini. This year it is a year. Ngayisho lento unyaka oqala ngiyayiphinda futhi. This year it is your year to prosper because akuzuba lula kodwa. Angiphinde futhi. Lo nyaka u2026. Njoba u2026 ufair kubo bonke abantu but the terrain is too flat. Everybody will come and jump into it hoping that something will happen. But njoba wena ubona isimo siyilento esiyiyona. I repeat. Njengoba wena ubona isimo siyilento esiyiyona, but ubaba uDoctor has said, this year is your year to be favored. This year is your year to prosper. You'll never prosper unless you miss this year. Your time to prosper is now. Kunento obona wena inzima ku-2026 April. Umbuzo ukuthi baba Dokotela, what do you mean? You know, or you are just making it like I said, like Kevin Stock. Kunomuntu njengamanje ocishelwe i-DSTV. Kunomuntu njengamanje ohamba ngemoto engathelile obalekela amaphoyisa. I don't fiction that. I'm telling you. Kunomuntu njengamanje onemoto yakhe engathelile. Ubalekela amaphoyisa. DSTV yakhe icishile. Lo muntu loyo ucishelwa i-DSTV enganeni zakho kule lifestyle esihlalayo. You are worthless, you get embarrassed. You even fear them not to see ukuthi daddy does not have money now. Ngifuna ukuthi understand ukuthi njengamanje umbila otshalwe phansi lonely. It is hot. I mean, it is very cold at night. Lo mbila omile phansi, when the rain, it is raining, abanye abantu babona ama-floods. But umbila ubona phansi ubona i-germination time. Awungizwa ukuthi ngithini. Uma linetha, abantu babona izikhukhula. But umbila otshalwe phansi ubona isikhathi sokuthi masifuna uqhume, ufuna umile. It's a time for that seed to germinate. And your time to germinate it's now. This storm lesikhona sikhonela wena ukuthi you must get wet. You can never suffer a storm. No matter ungafaka uphathe umbrella uphatheni, but you are going to be wet. Because isimo esikhona njengamanje kwi-global economy, petrol and diesel, it is very high. Food, it is pushing that up. Amatekisi azokhuphuka. Buses azokhuphuka because they're trying to match the expense. They are trying to match the expense. Engisho ukuthi lezi zinto lezi ifuna ukuthi uzazi ukuthi your time is now and never retreat entweni that you have never planned. Because lento oyakuyona that you have never planned, the enemy has been long waited for you to come. And when you are come, you'll be welcome as if it was yesterday. Uthi ngifike kanjani la kwalula kangaka manje kanti the enemy knew ukuthi when the time is right, you'll come to us. We are not going to be in your favor. We will skin you. We will eat you alive. We are not going to wait for you. Because there are people who want to see you bankrupt, literally broken. There are people. No. They just want to know how far you, how low are you now. The more you get low, the more they talk. The more you get low, the more they talk. Sinabantu ke esinabo empilweni yethu ekufuna ukuthi sibazi ukuthi njengamanje sibona kunzima nakubona kunzima but they are celebrating. Engifuna ukusho iloko ukubona kwenzeka manje kule nyanga esikuyona lo nyaka esikuwona funa wazi ukuthi okay njengamanje I will start to skip breakfast. Okay, fine. Njengamanje I'm not going to ask ekhaya ukuthi kuphekweni. I will eat what they give me. Njengamanje I'll use imoto engine encane rather than imoto engine enkulu because I'm saving fuel. But ufuna wazi ukuthi isikhathi lapho kumuntu wesifazane kuyisikhathi lapho usuke esesenziweni zakhe ngoba uma kuzozalwa inkosi kuba kunama pains njengamanje wena ukuma pains of ama pains okubeletha lento kuwena sekushaya isikhathi ukuthi uma feel pains of where you are going to because we are going to celebrate. You are going to celebrate. This is about Dr. Voices about Chakufana Mteja uma kuzozala inkosi akube lula kuba nzima, but don't allow that to kwenzeke kuwena. If kwenzeka kuwena, don't allow it. Pretend as if kwenzeka kwabanye abantu. Mekwenzeka kuwena, don't celebrate it because it's not there for you. This is about Dr. Voices about Chakufana Mteja yazi bakithi kunezinto ekufuneka sikhule ngazo sizazi ngoba thina lezi zinto lezi siyazenza kodwa asizazi. Njoba ubona uapplyela imisebenzi ebalekile. Mase bekubiza kwi-interview, uhlale kwi-panel. Mase bethi, can we have your email address? Ubanike. Can we have your contact kuma-socials? Ubanike. Okay, usuyazi ukuthi okay, bazohamba bangichecka kuma-social account. Do you know ukuthi ungabi nawo wakho uFacebook isizathu ukuthi bangaqasha abantu abaqasha? Do you know ukuthi ungabi nawo wakho uTikTok uyisuspect? Do you know ukuthi lento ukuthi wena awunawo uWhatsApp kukhona into eshock esitshela yona thina? Okwenza ukuthi ube no Telegram izwe by 95% South Africa says TikTok uWhatsApp wena says Telegram khona wena we red flag awukho kuma social media rather kunokuthi ube ngapho ku Telegram. Yes, siyakusola wena ubaleka njoba ungekho lapho uzitshela ukuthi usafe. Hayi mina lento ama social media nginawo, angikho ku Facebook, angikho ku Instagram, angikho ku LinkedIn, angikho ndawo. Kino Instagram kuphela ngoba ngiyithanda ama social. Kodwa funa wazi i-post esignificant ku government noma ku private sector ngeke uzuyithola because la kufuza abe sekuchecka khona asikwazi ukuchecka because awutholakali. Do you know watholakala wawadelete wonke ama account wazibiza ngama wazibranda kabusha ucabanga ukuthi usafe. Kunento esibiza ukuthi i-browser history. Browser history. I-browser history yakho uma kungena ku internet, i-browser history yakho iveza yonke into owayibuka ku internet. Kunalento enowayibuka ngo-15% ku internet. Okay, wayibrowser quite often, quite often. Your browser history, it is alive, it is existing. Because of what you've browsed 15 years ago, we don't see you ukuthi sikuthathe uyosebenza ku embassy yethu ekwa Israel. We don't trust you because you also browse this. Ibuke into oyibrowser ku internet. And then wazi ukuthi into oyibrowser ku internet is stored. uGoogle ustorile. uGoogle ustorile lento kuma files akhe ngalo ndlela sifuna ukuthi ukwazi lokho ukuthi lezi zinto wena okade uzibrowser zisafe. That is why ubona izinto ngathi zakho ziyahlehla ziyaphambili ziyahlehla because asikuthola ku internet, asikuthola kuma social media accounts akho konke asiwatholi, sithola yodwa kuphela. And siyakusola ke manje. uFacebook awunaye nje, awunalutho nje. Mase siya ku browser history yakho. Nakhona futhi sesiyaqala siyakuthola. Nazi izinto kunobuzi browser. And uke waba futhi ku social media because iyatshengisa browser history yakho ku social media. This is what we're saying. Your browser history yakho will take you down. Be careful what you're browsing on internet. Internet is not your friend. Internet, it is not your friend. This is about Dr. Voices about Chabela. Yeah, bakithi sifuna ukuhlukanisela abantu la ukuthi abantu bathi babudokotela isizathu sokuthi wakhe untombi kayibhinci bekuyisiphi. Isizathu sokuthi wakha amasoka owandisa amasoka noma bekuyisiphi. Lento kuba yisoka enye into leyanto and akuyona into futhi ongayitshela abantu ungabreaka ngayo ngoba awubreak ngento that does not appear in your bank statement. Ungabreak ngayo. Awubreak ngento engakhuphula i-credit score yakho. That you don't do. Ngakhe untombi kayibhinci for a purpose yokuthi umuntu wesilisa, I repeat, ngakhe untombi kayibhinci for one purpose yokuthi umuntu wesilisa othi kubantu besifazane akenzi kahle o akathandisiseki kubantu besifazane. lo muntu ke wesilisa simnikezele ukuthi akasebenzise untombi kayibhinci, not with the intention ukuthi sakha abantu amasoka. Thereafter comes to the terminology that is used esiZulwini, called it isishimane. Isishimane, we have to understand ukuthi are you insulting that person or are you teasing that person? Teasing may be offending komunye umuntu. Wena kade uthi wena umthuki kodwa you are teasing that person in a wrong way. Uthi lokho kuyishimane lokho. That person is no longer happy. It's absurd ngalokho ndlela. Into engifuna ukunika yona ke ngitshela ukuthi ke ngikhiphele untombi kayibhinci to help those people who are already been named ukuthi bazeshimane, hence bengezona ishimane. Ukuba ishimane nokuthi ungabi nenhlahla kubantu besifazane, ziningi ezingabangela ukuthi ungabi nenhlahla kubantu besifazane. I am inyanga baba uDkt. Bayisizwe bajabule. You don't know how exposed are. Ngeke kufike indoda endala la. Indoda nje endala that you can trust. Indoda endala isho into ebhlungu eyodwa ithi baba uDkt. Sengihambe kakhulu ngizwe ukukhuluma ngento ukuthi ngizocela ukuthi ungisize. Yini kwenzeka ndoda imesiyalusho ngosizi ithi isilwane silala nami almost on daily basis sekuze kube ebhlungu ngemuva. Lo muntu musiyambuza ukuthi makoto uthini umtshela lokho uwenza set i-trap athi ungamthatha apha umuntu wesifazane mekonjalo. Usuyabona ke imbangela ukuthi abantu bangabi nabantu besifazane ile yanto elala nabo. Ile yanto elala nabo. Ngaloo ndlela wena uyathu quick ukuthi abantu bazishima but not knowing ukuthi okudala ukuthi umuntu wesilisa angabi nabantu athandana yini. Naso lesasilwane sinomthelela. Naso lesasilwane alala naso sinemthelela. Ngaloo ndlela ke ngibakhiphela abantu besilisa into esibiza ukuthi untombi kayibhinci ku 1500 rand. Untombi kayibhinci ke ufika kwena nomuntu ozowukhotha, ufike kwena nomuntu ozowugcoba ushalaze emashiyeni ukuze ukuthi uma uqhamuka kubantu besifazane wemukeleke kahle. Into ekhuluma ulimi lakho wemukele kahle. Kodwa ke uma ngoba phela siyazi ukuthi kunethunzi esuke lingamile njengoba ugcine ungesena inhlanhla kubantu besifazane. Sikunika ke umuthi okusifuza ukuthi phela ke ugeze ngawo. Kunomuntu ofuna ugeza ngawo ususe lento okungathandeki. Ngeke sigcije msithi khotha upixe nje kunomuntu ofuna ugeze ngayo uvele kubantu uthandeke kubantu wemukeleke kubantu. I don't know whether that would make sense. Yeah, ngifuna ukuthi ngiyiveze lento. Then interpretation namhlanje ithi double quantum. Ngikade ngiseLimpopo. Khona indawo ekuthiwa iDalstrom, DUL, yeah, Dalstrom ngicabanga. Yeah, ngathi phela iDalstrom. Ngibona amaplaza laphana ranging from 700 to 1,000 with 1.2 million. 700,000 to 1.2 million. IDalstrom ngathi nawo abantu bathi banamaplaza abantu basho into cheap kangaka. Bazi babe serious ethi hey ngineplaza yemsangano lo ngaliphinde sitshela nto. Ngibone itheme engidlula eDalstrom sengiya eLeidenburg. Angaze ngiwubone umgaqo ombi kangaka lo ngazalwa eSouth Africa. Angikaze ngiwubone umgaqo omumbi. Kufika umuthi usufika eLeidenburg ufika lana ispeed isiphele sehle sithi 10. Ufika umgaqo ngathi uhlukene kabili. Lapho ngihamba ngevan imoto kufuze ngabe ina i-comfortable. Lokho okuncaneka ama-Mercedes lokho phansi kuhamba kushishiliza nje ukuthi kuhambe kushishiliza kufike kule pothole ufuna kuyincenge kahle kuphinde kuphakame ingazophuma futhi i-CV joint angazi kuncenge nje kancane. Okay fine ngihamba kaze ngafika endaweni esibiza ukuthi iBeaconsfield. Nako nami Beaconsfield yeah. Ngifika eBeaconsfield idolobha labo lihle impela nje lihle shem lihle ungena ngasekuqaleni lihle ku quiet uma usuzofika ngapha ke obona ukuthi ngapha kuthenga thina ngapha ngapha kuthenga amabhuno ngapha then kodwa libandla lihle idolobha lapho iphoyisa phezulu kwelinye iphoyisa ke lapha na uma usufikile phoyisa phezulu kwelinye iphoyisa isipitha lapho 60 km/h then ke sayishaya safika endaweni ekuthiwa ise France in Burgersport. Kunekhehla lapha ekuthiwa uMacheke, umobhala uthi Macheke. Linomuzi futhi eAkhonok. Linomuzi eAkhonok, linomuzi futhi lapha lekhehla lelo. Bengifuna ukuhlala phansi ngezinto ezahlukahlukene. Lela khehla linazo ke imfihlo, angeze ngeke sizikhulumele. Bengifuna iquantum double door. line quantum a double door. Leya quantum iyalayisha le quantum ngoba ivula isicabha ngapha ifake lo ofuna layisho. Imisi ivula lesi singapha. Uma wena ungakhokhi kuzofaka wena la kusho ukuthi ihamba nababili asizeke lanaka. Leya quantum leyana ngibese ngihlala phansi umkhulu ngathi mina kusiza ukuthi anginike umuthi kume ngibuya ngelanga kasekho usendele kwalamathongo. Akangifundisi. Uma uzolayisha umuntu kwequantum according to the advice engwanikiwe. Lithi khehla ungayithatha imali yomuntu ephelele. Ngitshela ukuthi akakunike u-half. Okay, mase kunikile u-half. Mase kunika izithombe zalomuntu zibe u4. Mase kunikile izithombe zalomuntu eziwu4. Mase ke lo muntu ke uthatha ke lesithombe lesi usibeka sibheke impumalanga, sibheke inyakatho, sibheke intshonalanga, sibheke iningizimu. You understand? Le ithombe zalomuntu ufuna zime ke kanjalo la enhlabathini. Uma ke wena usuyilayisha le quantum kunomuthi osephondweni. Uphondo intention akithi. Azolenza le exam. Uphondo kusekuyintention yabo. Lo muthi lona njengoba lesithombe selaphansi uzowuconsela kanje ukhuluma umbize uma usucontsisela hayi phezulu kwesithombe enhlabathini. Uphinde futhi ucontsisele kulo ngapha, uphinde futhi ujike ucontsisele zonke lezi thombe zo4 uzicontsisele kodwa awutheli phezulu kwazo. Awutheli phezulu kwazo. Lento izomlayisha instantly within 36 hours. Ngeke ngamlayisha within 36 hours. Ngathi mkhulu namanga ayikho lento eshoyo. Angibuka lekhehla la ngibuka lathi angihambe. Mase ngifike eNatal ngilifonela. Lo muthi usukuma ngendlu yabaloyi. Indlu yabaloyi. Wakhe ufuna indlu yabaloyi. Sengithembe ngifika la ngafonela enyanga ekuthiwa ukhwalo evamisa ukuhlala eMpondo ngathi mina ngicela ungithola indlu zabaloyi zibe u5. Ngifuna ukuzigaya ngisifake kule quantum ngikwazi ukuthi ngiyilayishe. Lekhehla ke leli bese ngifika la ngithi mkhulu ma check uyaphila khe lithi hayi ngiyaphila uhambe kahle hayi ngihambe kahle lithi ya mkhulu khuluma lo muthi wakho nginike ireference yokuqala ilathula athi ngoba ufuna ngempela yini ukwazi ukuthi lo muthi uyasebenza ngithi mina lase lasho umuntu too close kuyena elamlayishayo ngeke ngikwazi ukusho lana ngoba bakubo bazokwazi ukuthi kanti uyena wenza ukuthi ngoba phela umuntu waziwa too close uthi wahambiswa yimina lo muntu engihlupha lamlayisha lekhehla. Uyabona ke uma thina sithatha ireference yequantum sike sifuna umuntu asitshele into too close. Kukhona omunye obelayisha obese ngwambeni walayisha ubaba wakhe walayisha umalume wakhe. Lo muntu kusuke simthemba kwequantum ukuthi hayi unama references strong. Naye ke lo utho umesho ngathi mina hayi khehla ungasaqhubeki izolayisha. Engisho ukuthi uma sizokulayishela kule quantum sizofika sishaye lo muntu lo mase within 7 days kunika ama bank details ukuthi le balance esele uzoyifaka lapho ke lo mali. Uma ishalo 7 days mase kuhambe wena. Angeke ngikufonele kuzohamba wena. Wena ngisidinge sakhe isithombe. Angisidinge sakhe isithombe. Because ngiyakwazi physically wena ngiyakwazi angisidinge isithombe sakho. Listen to me carefully. Uma wenza le quantum awuhambi nayo. Uyenzela la eThekwini. Le nto iyingozi, it is deadly. Hayi awuhambi nayo. Sihamba nawe sifike siyenze. Mina mase ngibuya nomuthi wami. Uma usungasangikhokheli mase mina ngiyibuyisela kuwena mase nawe ngikulayisha iquantum double door kungena lo na uphinde ungene ngapha futhi. This is Babu Dottel Voices Bojabula mfana mhlanje kehle umzulu amancisi angisole futhi angixolisi. Goodbye.